How to read in Korean Part 1.
As you can see here, there are 14 basic consonants and 10 basic vowels. Let's start with the consonants. Instead of the consonant names, I'm gonna start just with the sounds. G, N, D, R, M, B, S, J, Ch, K, T, P, H. And then now, if you put the vowel A on each one, so if I put vowel A with G, G, A, Ka, Ka, Na, Ta, Da, Ma, Pa, Sa, A, Ja, Cha, Ka, Ta, Pa, Ha. One more time. Ka, Na, Da, Ra, Ma, Pa, Sa, A, Ja, Cha, Ka, Ta, Pa, Ha.
How to read in Korean Part 2 and the easiest way to memorize vowels.
Last time we covered the consonants, today we're going to cover the vowels. Each vowel has a different sound and it goes A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, You, E.
Now stand up and do it with me. A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, You, E. One more time. A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, You, E. You got the vowels.
Now let's put it together. If I put a vowel O with L, it would sound Lo, or O with M, it would sound Mo. You got this.
How to read in Korean Part 3, double consonants.
As you can see, consonants G, D, B, S, J have stickers on it, and they are the ones that can turn into double consonants. Just like this, I double the consonants. And when you pronounce them, say it with a little more stress, like this. G, G, D, D, B, B, S, J, D. Now let's put them together with a vowel A, Ka, Ka, Ta, Ta, Pa, Pa, Ta, Sa, Cha, Cha.
You got this! How to read Korean Part 4, compound and complex vowels.
Here are the vowels that we already covered, and today I'm adding on compound and complex vowels. These vowels are also called double vowels because they have two vowels combined together. For example, if you look at A, it's A and E together. Now let's sound these out. E, ye, we, wa. We, wo, we, ui. Now let's put it together with the consonant and when it comes at the beginning, it's going to be silent. E, ye, we, wa. We, wo, we, ui. E, ye, we, wa. We, wo, we, ui.
You got this! How to read Korean in 60 seconds.
Black represents consonants and pink represents vowels. I want you to remember if the vowel is vertical like this, it goes on the side of the consonant. But if it's horizontal like this, it goes on the bottom of the consonant. Looking at the chart that I created above, this consonant makes T sound and this vowel would be A, and this consonant would be K sound and this vowel would be O. So this would be taco. In English, it's taco. Let's take a look at another word. Right here we have a consonant, but it's silent, so I'll leave it blank. And this one would be oo. And then here, another consonant, but it's silent. And then we have a vowel U. So this will make uyu. In English, it means milk. You got this!
Is this letter silent or not silent? Let me help you with this letter.
There are two rules to keep in mind. If this letter comes in the beginning, it's going to be silent. But if this letter comes with a 받침, which is final consonant, it's going to make a sound. For example, in this letter, you'll see the letter coming in the beginning of each syllable. So this will be silent and will only pronounce the vowels. So this will make O, and then this vowel is E. So it's O-E, which means cucumber. Now let's take a look at this word. You'll see that this letter is at the bottom, which is a 받침 of this letter. So you'll say G, A, 강, and then silent A, and then J, E, G, 강아지, which means a dog. You got this!
How to write in Korean in 60 seconds.
There are 3 things to keep in mind when you write in Korean. First, you have to write the consonant, and then you will write a vowel, and then you will take care of 받침. So if you hear the word 나비, 나비, you'll have to write the consonant first, and then a vowel, n, a, and then for B, it's b, b, and then vowel E. But you might be wondering, where do I put the vowels? In that case, you have to know the shape of the vowels. If the vowel is vertical, like this, you'll have to put it on the side of the consonant. But if it's horizontal like this, you'll have to put it on the bottom of the consonant. So if you hear the word mango, mango, you'll write the consonant first, m, and then a, go, g, and o. You got this! You solved my question, like some vowels are written on the side of the consonant and some vowels are below the consonant. How do we know which vowel to put where? So when it comes to vowels in Korean, shape really matters. So if the vowel is vertical like this, going up and down, you will put it on the side of the consonant. But if the vowel is horizontal like this, going side to side, you will put it on the bottom of the consonant like this. So to recap, vertical vowels on the side and horizontal ones go on the bottom. You got this!